Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find hidden chats in Polybuzz AI. To find hidden chats in Polybuzz AI, you usually can recover them from the normal chat list because hidden conversations are removed from view rather than deleted. So you'll need to rely on search and memory of the chat details. Start by opening the search feature inside the app and type the exact chat title or the character creator name you used before hiding it. Since many chats can have similar or identical titles, and the only reliable way to distinguish them is often the creator name or specific character identity. Once you locate the correct result, tap it to reopen the conversation, and your full chat history should load again even though it was previously hidden from your main list. In some cases, after you send a new message or interact with the chat again, it may automatically reappear in your recent conversations or main feed depending on how Polybuzz refreshes activity. If you can find it through search, double check spelling variations, or try browsing through the character's profile if you remember it, as hidden chats are still tied to the original character page even when removed from the inbox view. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.